I'm sorry if I made a mistake in the report. I guess I'm still a bit wet behind the ears.
Don't worry about it, Alex. Everyone's a little inexperienced when they first start.
I just feel like I should be doing better. I don't want to let the team down.
Trust me, you're doing great. It's normal to make mistakes when you're new.
Thanks, but sometimes it feels like I'm way behind everyone else.
That's because they've been here longer. Give yourself some time to learn and grow.
I guess you're right. I just don't want to look like I don't know what I'm doing.
Honestly, everyone knows you're still learning. Nobody expects perfection right away.
I appreciate that, but I'm used to being good at things quickly. This feels different.
It's a new environment and a different pace. You'll adjust before you know it.
I hope so. I don't want to be seen as the person who can't keep up.
You're not. In fact, people admire how hard you're trying. That says a lot.
That's nice to hear. I guess I'm just putting too much pressure on myself.
Exactly. Cut yourself some slack. Everyone was in your position at one point.
Yeah, I guess no one was born knowing everything about this job.
Exactly. Just keep asking questions and learning as you go.
Thanks for the reassurance. It's good to know that feeling inexperienced is normal.
It is, and remember, I'm always here if you need help or advice.
That means a lot. I'll try to be more patient with myself.
That's the spirit. Now let's get back to work and show them what you've got.
Sounds good. Thanks again, Sophia.
I thought your effort in the competition was valiant, even if you didn't win.
Thanks. I really gave it my all, but it's still disappointing not to come out on top.
I totally get that. But honestly, just having the courage to step up and perform like that takes a lot of guts.
Yeah, I know. I just wish the outcome had been different, especially after all those hours of practice.
Don't be so hard on yourself. The way you handled everything was impressive. Not everyone could have done that.
I guess, but sometimes it feels like hard work isn't enough.
Trust me, all that effort will pay off in the long run. It's all about growth, not just winning.
You're right. I suppose I did learn a lot from the experience, even if it didn't end how I hoped.
Exactly. Plus, you never know when those skills will come in handy again.
True. And at least now I know what I need to work on for next time.
That's the spirit. You're already thinking ahead, and that's what makes you strong.
Thanks for the pep talk. It's nice to have someone remind me that it's okay not to be perfect.
Anytime. Everyone needs a reminder that setbacks are just part of the journey.
Yeah, I suppose even the most successful people had to face failure at some point.
Exactly, it's all about how you bounce back, and I know you will.
I really appreciate that. It helps to know someone believes in me.
Always. I've seen how hard you work and how determined you are.
Well, that means a lot, especially coming from you.
You've really got a potty mouth, don't you?
Oh, come on, it wasn't that bad, was it?
You literally swore in every sentence for the past 5 minutes.
Okay, maybe I got a little carried away, but I was frustrated.
I get that, but you could have expressed it without using so much colorful language.
You're right. I should probably tone it down a bit, especially around people who might not appreciate it.
Yeah, it might be a good idea. You never know who's listening, especially in public.
It's just that sometimes, when I'm angry, those words just fly out before I even think about them.
I think we've all been there, but controlling it can save you from some awkward situations.
True. I've definitely gotten some weird looks when I didn't realize how loud I was being.
Maybe you can try using different words to express yourself when you're upset, like darn or shoot.
Huh, I don't know if that would have the same effect, but it's worth a try.
It's definitely better than accidentally offending someone. Plus, it might even help you feel calmer.
Yeah, I guess swearing just adds more fuel to the fire sometimes.
Exactly. A little self-control can go a long way, and you might find it helps diffuse your anger too.
You make a good point. I'll work on it, but no promises on changing overnight.
Fair enough. Progress is progress, right? Just take it one step at a time.
Thanks for understanding. It's nice to have someone point it out without making me feel bad.
Of course. I'm just trying to help. We all have habits we can work on.
I appreciate that. Next time I feel like swearing, I'll think of you reminding me to calm down.
Good plan, and I'll be here to remind you if you forget.
Please subscribe and see you soon.